Here's how to cancel an active Tripo AI subscription so it does not automatically renew in just 2 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to stop future subscription charges while keeping any remaining access until your current billing period ends. First, sign into your Tripo AI account on the official website. This is where you'll manage your subscription. Once you're in your dashboard or workspace, open Workspace Settings or look for the Billing or Subscription section. If your version looks slightly different, look for any billing or account management option that opens your subscription details. Next, open your active subscription. You'll see information about your current plan, billing history, and subscription details inside the billing portal. Then, select Cancel Subscription. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to stop automatic renewal. After that, review the cancellation prompt and confirm your choice. Once you finish, you should see a confirmation screen showing that your subscription has been canceled. In most cases, you'll also receive a confirmation email. Keep that email for your records in case you need to verify the cancellation later. Now, if you don't see the cancel subscription option, first make sure you're subscribed directly through the Tripo AI website. If the option is still missing, open Workspace Settings or the Account Billing section again and check for your subscription details. If the billing page is unavailable, contact Tripo AI support using the email associated with your account. Once the cancellation is confirmed, avoid closing the page until you see the confirmation message. If you don't receive a confirmation email and later notice another charge, contact Tripo AI support immediately and keep screenshots of your cancellation attempt as proof. Once everything is set, your subscription's auto-renewal will be disabled, and you should continue to have access until the end of your current paid billing period, depending on your purchase platform. Following the simple steps makes canceling your Tripo AI subscription quick and easy.